Hi, and welcome back to our how-to tutorial series on iC-R helmets. Today we're going to be going over how to record your ride with our integrated front action camera. So, to begin recording with your iC-R action camera, you're actually going to control it entirely through the HUD of your device. So, go ahead and put on your helmet and navigate over to the DVR video option on the second page of your iC-R dashboard. Once you open up that app, you can just hit the OK button to start recording. Now, all of the recording settings are set through the iC-Rider app or through the settings through your HUD device. That being said, it's much easier to use the iC-Rider app to set all of that up. In the settings for your iC-Rider action camera, you'll have a few different parameters that you can set to your liking. The first parameter that you can set would be your resolution. We have a 1080 at 30 FPS option, as well as a 720 at 30 FPS option. Video length will be the second parameter that you can choose. We have a 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute option for you to take advantage of. You can change all of these settings through the iC-Rider app. Now, finally, to get the files off of your iC-R helmet, you're going to need to connect your iC-R helmet through the USB-C cable to a computer. Never replay the videos while they are on the onboard storage of the iC-R helmet. It can do serious damage and prevent recording in the future. The switch next to the power button on the inside of your iC-R helmet will control what storage media you're connected to, whether that is front or back of the helmet, as well as the screen recorder for your HUD. If the switch is up, you'll be accessing the storage for the HUD and the rear cameras. If the switch is down, you'll be accessing the storage for the front camera. And it's really that easy to change all of the settings for your iC-R action camera. Make sure to check back in for other videos as well as more tips and tricks on the rest of the series, and we'll see you next time. Thanks!